Minimalist meal planning. Save time, money, and eat healthier. In today's fast-paced world, finding time to cook healthy meals can be a challenge. Many of us resort to ordering takeout or dining out regularly, leading to higher expenses and poorer dietary choices. However, there's a solution that can help you save both time and money while also promoting a healthier lifestyle: minimalist meal planning. This approach simplifies your food choices, streamlines your cooking process, and allows you to enjoy delicious, nutritious meals without breaking the bank. What is minimalist meal planning? Minimalist meal planning is a mindful approach to meal preparation that focuses on simplicity and efficiency. It's about minimizing the complexity of your diet by selecting a few staple ingredients and preparing meals that are easy to make yet nutritionally balanced. Here's how you can get started with minimalist meal planning. Identify core ingredients. Begin by identifying a handful of core ingredients that you enjoy and are versatile. This might include items like rice, beans, chicken, tofu, vegetables, and fruits. Create a weekly menu. Plan a weekly menu around these core ingredients. This could involve rotating through a few simple recipes that use the same staples but vary in flavors and presentation. Stock up on staples. Purchase your core ingredients in bulk to save money in the long run. Having these staples on hand means you'll always have something to cook, reducing the temptation to order takeout. Efficient cooking. Prepare your meals efficiently by batch cooking, making use of leftovers, and minimizing food waste. This not only saves time but also reduces your grocery expenses. Mindful eating. Savor your meals mindfully. By paying attention to what you're eating, you're more likely to enjoy your food and make healthier choices. The benefits of minimalist meal planning. Saves time. One of the most significant advantages of minimalist meal planning is the time saved. With a simplified menu and efficient cooking methods, you can prepare meals quickly, leaving you with more free time for other activities. Reduces food costs. By purchasing staple ingredients in bulk and minimizing food waste, you can significantly reduce your grocery bills. You'll also be less likely to dine out or order takeout, which can add up quickly. Promotes healthier eating. When you plan your meals around wholesome core ingredients, you're more likely to make healthier food choices. This can lead to improved overall health and better dietary habits. Less stress. Minimalist meal planning reduces decision fatigue. With a set menu for the week, you don't have to constantly think about what to cook, making mealtime less stressful. Eco-friendly. By reducing food waste and making efficient use of ingredients, minimalist meal planning is more environmentally friendly. It helps reduce the carbon footprint associated with food production and transportation. Tips for successful minimalist meal planning. Experiment with different staples. While it's essential to have core ingredients, don't be afraid to experiment with new ones occasionally to keep your meals interesting. Plan for variety. Even with a minimalist approach, strive for variety in your menu to ensure you're getting a well-rounded diet. Embrace simplicity. Minimalist meal planning is all about simplicity. Embrace the beauty of uncomplicated dishes that highlight the flavors of your core ingredients. Meal prep. Spend some time each week prepping ingredients, such as chopping vegetables or marinating proteins, to make mealtime even more efficient. Be flexible. It's okay to occasionally deviate from your planned menu. Life happens, and flexibility is key to long-term success with minimalist meal planning. Minimalist meal planning is a practical and sustainable way to save time, money, and eat healthier. By simplifying your food choices and embracing a mindful approach to eating, you can enjoy delicious, nutritious meals without the stress and expense of complicated meal planning or dining out. Give minimalist meal planning a try and experience the benefits it can bring to your life and your overall well-being. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and click the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. As always, stay curious, breathe deep and enjoy each day.